Hi, Sarah Banas. I am going to show you today how to make rolled felt roses. Super easy, super fun project. So let's go over to Cricut Design Space. Okay, so I pulled up out of projects a rolled rose that I liked. So let's go ahead, we'll click Make. And I'm going to click on Mat, Continue. Click Continue. Connect to my maker. Okay, and now I'm going to browse all materials. I'm going to click felt. I'm going to see if it gives me the ability to, I'm going to click stiff. I'm not sure if that's the right one. So it is allowing me to do it with the regular deep point blade, which is perfect. Let's go over to the machine and let's get this cut. Okay, so this is Cricut's new craft felt. Lots of good colors. You can see that it is rigid enough to cut well, but also, you know, you can move it enough that we'll be able to roll it into a rose with no problem at all. So let's go ahead, let's go with the red. Now, you can cut this with a rotary blade. We're going to go ahead today and we're just going to cut it with just a regular, the blade that comes with your machine. And I'm going to do that on purpose because I want this to be accessible to everybody. So this is a fairly new mat. I'm putting this up by the top. You do want, good tack on your mat. If I wanted to, I could also tape down the edges of this with masking tape. I don't think I'm going to because this mat is pretty good. It's working. It's holding it down just fine. Okay, you can see it's flashing. That means it's ready to load. I'm just going to pull it in. And then it's going to start flashing this button. Click on that. And now it's going to start cutting. And I will bring you back when it's all done. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this part first, the outside. Look at how nice that cut. It's just a perfect cut. So it cut twice. And that I didn't have to cut twice. It automatically cut twice. That was the setting for this. So that is just a perfect cut. Absolutely perfect. Highly, highly recommend this felt. So now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to grab my glue gun, my hot glue gun, and we're going to roll this. So the way that you roll roses is you roll them from the outside. The outside is the center. And you just start rolling that around in a circle. Trying to keep the bottom part all like together. So roll it around. All the way to the middle. Again, this part's a little bit more difficult to keep it all together at the bottom, but that is important. Okay, now you take your hot glue gun and you put just a little bit of glue on this bottom circle. Okay, and then you just push that right, kind of let it loose a little bit first, just a little bit, so it can kind of unravel a little bit. And then push that down on it. I like to take just a little bit on this last. And just kind of like that. And that is all there is to rolled felt roses. Super, super easy. Just let that dry. And then you can kind of, move it out a little bit. Kind of separate them a little bit, make it a little more realistic looking. Sometimes I'll take just another little piece and roll it and put it down in the center. But when these are all super close together, they look really, really realistic. They look cute. So that's it. That's all there is to rolled roses.